Good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome to computer online class. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Now let's recall what we have learned in the previous class. So in the last class we have seen about paragraph formatting, right? So two ways of formatting a paragraph we have seen. The one is line spacing and the next is paragraph spacing. So what do I mean by line spacing? So line spacing is the amount of white space between two lines of text in a paragraph. And what do you mean by paragraph spacing? The amount of white space between two adjacent paragraphs. So these line spacing and paragraph spacing will be measured in terms of how it will be measured in terms of number of lines or points. And we have seen the steps to align the paragraph also, right? Okay. So in today's class we are going to see about setting alignment in a paragraph. Okay, and what is alignment? Alignment is the manner in which the text is placed between margins of a page. See, between the two margins of a page, how the text is aligned. So there are two types of alignments. Let's see what are they. One is vertical alignment and the next is horizontal alignment. So vertical alignment refers to the position of text in relation to top and bottom page margins. See, in relation to top and bottom page margins, how the text is aligned. Okay, that is vertical alignment from top to bottom. And what about the horizontal alignment? It refers to the position of text in relation to left and right page margins. So don't forget, vertical alignment refers to the position of text from top to bottom page margin. And what about horizontal alignment? It refers to the position of text in relation to left and right page margins. Okay, so vertical from top to bottom and horizontal from left to right. Okay. The next is a changing vertical alignment. Okay. Let's see the steps to change the vertical alignment of text. So first step, click the page layout tab. And in the page setup group, click the page setup dialog box launcher. See here in the page layout tab, you can click the page setup launcher here. See, click this arrow so that the page setup dialog box will open. So here you have to click the layout tab. See, when you click this page setup launcher, you can see arrowhead here, right? So when you click this launcher, a dialog box will appear. That is, the page setup dialog box will appear. So here you have three tabs, right? Margin, paper and layout. So you have to click the layout tab. Okay, for vertical alignment, you have to click this layout tab. So vertical alignment in the sense, it's a position of text between top and bottom margins, right? Okay. So here you have to click which tab? Layout tab. Okay. See, in this page setup dialog box, you can see a vertical alignment box here, right? So in this vertical alignment box, you have to click the option you want. See, there are four types of vertical alignments given. That is top, center, justified and bottom. Okay, so four types of vertical alignments. What are they? Top, center, justified and bottom. Okay. So now in the apply to box, click the whole document or this point forward. See here, when you click this option apply to, you have two options. You have to apply this alignment for the whole document or from this particular paragraph, that is this point forward. Okay, so two options you can choose. And then finally you have to click OK. Now the text will be aligned according to the alignment that you have chosen. Okay, so this is vertical alignment. So we have seen how many types of vertical alignments? 4, right? So top, center, justified and bottom. Okay. So first we will see about the top alignment. See how it is aligned. In a page, there are 2 paragraphs given. Okay, so the 2 paragraphs are aligned at the top of the page. Okay, this is a top alignment. Okay, and in the next picture you see how it is aligned. So it's not aligned at the top or it's not aligned at the bottom. So how it is aligned? So this is a center alignment. Okay, so this is center aligned. Okay, so see, this is the center of the page, right? Yes, top also you have the spacing and bottom also you have the spacing. This is equal spacing, right? And it is aligned at the center of the page. Okay. And the next is justified alignment. See, there are 2 paragraphs given, right? So both the paragraphs will be aligned equally between the top and bottom page margin. See, one paragraph is placed at the top and here you have enough spacing, right? Here you have enough spacing and here also you have enough spacing. So and at the center you see there's a common spacing. Okay. Anyway, only these 2 paragraphs are there. These 2 paragraphs are aligned in the whole page. Okay. It occupies the whole page. It is justified. Okay. And in the next picture you see the text is placed at the bottom of the page, right? So this is bottom alignment. Okay. So 4 types of examples we have seen. What are they? 4 types of vertical alignments: top, center, justified and bottom. Okay. Next you will see how to change the horizontal alignment of text. Okay. So first you have to click the page layout tab. As usual you have to click the page layout tab and in the paragraph group click the paragraph dialog box. So when you click this paragraph dialog box you can see a dialog box like this. Okay, so in that you have to click the indents and spacing tab. See here, this is indents and spacing tab. You have to click this option. Okay. Select any of the following alignment options in the alignment drop down menu. See here you can see the alignment option, right? So here you can choose any of these 4 options: left, centered, right and justified. So 4 horizontal alignment options are given here, right? So what are the 4 horizontal alignments? Left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justified alignment. Okay. So these are the 4 types of horizontal alignments: left, right, centered and justified. Okay. So the first type of horizontal alignment is left alignment. See, in this left alignment, the text is flushed with the left margin. See, what do you mean by flushed? Text flush. That is aligned along the margin. So here in left alignment, the text is aligned along the left side of the margin. Okay. And the right margin remains uneven. So it's not equally present at the right side of the margin, but at the left side it is evenly aligned. Okay, and this is the default alignment in Word. So by default, when you open a Word document and you start typing, so automatically the left alignment will be there. Okay, and see this example here. So this is an example for left alignment. See, at the left side the text is flushed at the left side and right side it is uneven. See the gap. So here there is more space and here it is less space, right? So this is uneven at the right side, but at the left side the text is flushed. Okay. So the next alignment is right alignment. So in right alignment, see how the text is placed. Text is flushed with the right margin. So what about the left margin? So it becomes uneven. For example, you see here. Here at the right side you see it is flushed. Okay. And at the left side it is uneven. Okay. This is example for right alignment. Okay. So next is center alignment. Text is centered between the left and right margins of the page. See, when you align center, see what happens? Both sides it is uneven. So both left and right sides it's uneven and it is aligned properly at the center. Okay, so this is center alignment. The next type is justified alignment. See, in this type, the text is placed so that both left and right margins are even. See this picture? So both the left side margin and right margin it is evenly distributed. Okay. So now we will recall what we have learned in today's class. So in today's class we have seen about setting alignment, right? So what do you mean by alignment? This is the manner in which text is placed between the margins of a page. So there are two types of alignments, that is vertical alignment and horizontal alignment, right? So vertical alignment, it refers to the position of text in relation to top and bottom page margins. But what about horizontal alignment? It refers to the position of text in relation to left and right page margins. Okay, so now let's see how to change the vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. So first, in changing the vertical alignment, so first what you have to do, you have to go to the page layout tab. So in the page setup group, you have to click this launcher. So this is the page setup launcher. So you have to click this. So in this, you have to click the layout tab. Already it's clicked. So margin tab is there, paper tab is there, but we have to select the layout tab. So in that, you can see the vertical alignment, right? So here when you click down, you can see 4 types of alignments. So let's check what happens when you click the top alignment and give OK. See, now the text is aligned at the top of the page, right? Then again you check the next alignment. See, go to layout tab, then page setup. So click here. Next you will see center. So click OK. See, the text is aligned at the center of the page. So this is center alignment. And then again we'll try the next alignment, that is justified. Okay. See, it occupies the whole page. Okay. And next type of alignment is bottom. When you click bottom, see what happens. The entire text is placed at the bottom of the page. So these are the 4 types of vertical alignments. So what are the 4 types of vertical alignments? Tell me. Top alignment, center alignment, justified alignment and bottom alignment. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how to change the horizontal alignment. See, for changing the horizontal alignment, what's the first step? Go to page layout tab, right? And then next, you have to go to the paragraph. Okay, don't forget. So for changing the vertical alignment, you have to select the page setup dialog box. Okay, but here, when you go for horizontal alignment, you have to choose the paragraph group. Okay, so in the paragraph group, you have to click the paragraph group launcher, right? So when you click here, you can see the paragraph dialog box appears here. So here you have to click which tab? Indents and spacing tab. So under that you can find the alignment option here, right? So when you click down, you can see 4 types of horizontal alignments given here, right? So left alignment, center alignment, right and justified. So now we will choose the left alignment. See what happens to the text. See, I have chosen one paragraph. That's why only this paragraph is aligned. That is left alignment. See what happens. See, the left side is even, right? So the left margin is even, but the right margin is uneven. Okay, the text is flush to the left side of the margin. Okay. So now you would select all the paragraphs and you give left alignment. See what happens. So now go to the paragraph launcher and click. Select the alignment as left and give click OK. See what happens. Now can you observe the alignment? Yes. Okay. The next we'll try the center alignment. Okay. Center. Click OK. See what happens. It's aligned in center now. Okay. The next select Then again you try the next type, that is right alignment. See what happens now? The text is flush with the right margin, but the left margin becomes uneven now. So this is right alignment. Okay, the next alignment we will try now. That is justified. So what is justified alignment? The text is placed so that both the left and right margins are even. See now? I have selected one paragraph, that's why it's coming like this. So now you try. Click this, justified, and click OK. See, all the paragraphs are now in justified alignment. Okay, so this is how you have to change the horizontal alignment. Now are you clear with this? Okay. Okay, dear children. If you have any doubts in this topic, you can contact me and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.